you're on.
Ladies and gentlemen, my 2012 Ford Raptor, 6.2 litre, my dream truck.
Right, and it sounds like a nightmare, something from hell.
Yeah, at least I get something for my money. With put it in, fuel, it converts it to noise.
That's
so,
good.
It's my dream truck when it first came out, and finally got a chance to buy one here in sunny Canada.
And you're living here, aren't you? You're in Rock Forest.
Yeah, yeah.
Just met the other day and pretty good. So what's it doing here lifted up? Go on, explain.
I've got a little bit of rust. Just a little bit, Mike.
Yeah, but you went for a rust proofing, didn't you? Let's tell them the story.
Yeah, had it crowned the first year that I got it.
Right.
Perfect job. Everything was oily, fresh, and looking nice. And I got it crowned the other day, about a week ago.
Mm-hmm.
And they'd missed a lot of spots, so I wrote to Crown, and they said, no, you know, it's good. It's been properly applied. It's just been absorbed into the metal. That's why you can't see it. So took it to.
But we've just found out otherwise, eh?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do this little video now. We're going to go underneath it and have a look at the bits they've missed, because obviously they said they'd done it, but they've missed so much on it. So you come to me, because you probably saw my video was doing Land Rovers with crown rust proofing. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to send this video to Crown and see what they say.
Yeah, sounds good.
There's proof in it. So look, when we look at the basic chassis, is that going to work? You see this? It's flaky, but it has been done. But you see, look at the cross members up there. There's nothing on them at all. They're dry as a bone. And these, well, look, those are. That's even worse than the Land Rover design, putting a trap like that. Even they must have gone to Land Rover to have it designed. Look, it's just a trap, but there's nothing in it. When we look underneath it, because I've only just quickly been underneath, but you can see there it's all flaky rust, but it's not too bad. But you can see bits that's been missed. Where's that? Oh, look at the tank straps. The tank straps haven't been done. And that's one of the key things here. And here as well, look at those tank straps. They've not been touched. The rest of it's not too bad, you know, because Crown, like they did say it does dry out, but it doesn't dry out as much as that. Not in a couple of weeks.
The biggest thing that I could see, Mike, was like they didn't spray inside the tubing.
No, that's what we're going to do. We had that argument with the salesman at Toyota last week. They said, "Oh, let's put rust proofing in it." You see, look inside there. They haven't done inside there. Look.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to get a steam cleaner out, and we're going to get a needle gun out, and we're going to do it properly with my remaining Crown, and hopefully we'll have a satisfied customer. Look at that exhaust. Wow. So this is just a quick look before and after. What we might do with this, Jack, we might just take that rust off there, and needle gun all the way around here, and give it a quick coat of black paint. Yeah. You know, before we put the Crown on, so it looks alright. It'll be alright, won't it? What's it like at the other side?
It's not that bad for a Canadian.
They sprayed the for a 2012.
For a Canadian Raptor, it's one of the best you'll find here.
Well, I haven't even seen one. What's him? Oh, yeah, we see down there. We're going to inject all those tubes and everything. Jack's going to have a great time knocking all this rust off. It's quite good, easy access, but I can't lift the front off because my forklift won't lift it. It's too heavy. I know, because my mate's got a F150. He wouldn't lift that. Lift it at the back, wouldn't lift it at the front. But we'll manage. Yeah. Anyway, it's starting to rain. It's great, isn't it? Summertime. Right, let's stop this here, and then we'll come back and halfway through the work, and we'll see what's going on. What's it going to be like?
Single man, reveal yourself.
Oh,
jeez, I jinxed it.
No. See why I wanted to take them off?
Oh, look at that.
We took the back arches off. I don't know if you can see over there, we took the back arches off, and unfortunately rust got into the arches. What year is it again, Jack?
2012.
2012. it seems to be. Well, we'll take the camera off. We'll have a look at this rust because it's really interesting. There's some bubbly stuff here. There's some bubbly there, and we've just gone over. And look at that nice patina. But we're trying to get all that paint off. So get really close and go for it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Look at that come off there. Keep going. Okay. That's the story. That's what 3,000 pounds of pressure does.
Look at that. Amazing.
Isn't it good, eh? Just peels off. But because it's, you could feel the blistering, you know it's not going to go any further, but it's got to come off, Jack. It's got to come off. I don't think it's too bad at this side. This is good, isn't it? It's got a few blisters here. Do you want to hit this bit?
Yeah, that's right.
Just hit that bit because it looks blistery. Yeah. There you go. Alright. Now you see there what's happened. It could be a little perforation in the paint and water's got underneath it, and with you know, expansion contraction in winter it's got worse and worse. But the rest of it around there, this is going to come off. This is going to come off around here. Yeah, look at this banter. So this is the chorus stop and it's worked really, really well. Look at this. I am so impressed with that product. Sprayed it on instead of brushing it on, and it's come up lovely. Let's see if we can get underneath and have a look, because that's made a world of difference. You can see it's not quite dried there, it's still a bit creamy, but it's done a lovely job. And I was just saying to Jack there, I think we'll just paint that axle, you know, like put some paint on rather than tar, and I think it's going to be good. We'll have a look at the other side. I've got some ideas, I've got some plans for doing this, but it's really changed it dramatically. So we'll put some wax on this, some black wax rather than crown rust proofing, and I think that's going to save it. So anyway, we'll action.
Man with a plan.
And a little bit of spam.
Come on, Mike. Down you come.
Right, here we go. So what we're doing today, we're rust proofing with April rust proofing. It's an annual wax based product. It's pretty good, and look at the finish.
Very nice.
Really nice. I love it. Hopefully we can get into all these nooks and crannies and spray all the way around, all the way down, and give us a really good protection. This is good stuff, and it's made in Quebec.
Oh yeah.
Excellent stuff.
And applied by the very best trainee.
Exactly. In fact, Jack, I'm going to make you employee of the month.
Don't you
around with this car? It's Saturday afternoon, and we thought we'd clean up the engine bay a little bit. We're going to get some pictures of before and after, but doesn't it look spectacular? What big? Oh, it's a 6.2.
6.2, and I think we added another 5 horsepower since we cleaned it.
I think so. Look at that. Doesn't it look nice? We've used auto glim, and it looks really, really nice now. A lot better. Power washed it off, but I think we didn't really wash the exhaust off properly, so I think we're going to listen to it before. Let's have a start of it and see how it listens, how it sounds. There's the exhaust. Look at the state of that. Go on, give it some licks. Go on, rev it up a bit. Ah, that's nice, isn't it? That'll give you a headache. So we've, yeah, it's good, isn't it?
The neighbours are complaining.
Sounds like it. Is it loud when you're driving?
really. There's one point where it's a bit drony, around 2,000 revs, but if you're just, you know...
it's street legal, right?
Street legal. If you're poodling along, it's not very noisy.
It's not any different from those hardly Canableson motorbikes, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, if you're not pushing it, it's really quiet.
Really?
So, yeah. Lovely.
That looks good, doesn't it?
I put this back on.
Put your screws back in and you play it. Yeah, so that's it for now, isn't it?
Yeah. Until next time.
We've put some April rust proofing underneath it. We'll try and put a video of this together. We've got some April rust proofing because the back was quite, well, basic. But we needle gunned all the rest off, put some Coro stop on it and put some wax over the top rather than crown rust proofing. We put the crown rust proofing in the cavities, didn't we? But, and we put wax inside the chassis. We'll get some videos on that later. Right, turn it off now because I'm going deaf. But it's certainly a lot better than when it came in, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's certainly a lot better.
Get these arches done, cover them up again, but there's some rust lurking under there.
We'll sort that out. But I think we'll put that on the back burner.
Yep.
Till sort of autumn wintry type job when we get it in the shop.
Yep.
And then we'll take care of all that. And it gives us some time also to work out what we're going to use on those arches.
Yeah.
Right, that's it.